In previous class, we have discussed about the habitats and type of habitats. It was desert and forest. Now we will discuss about other two types of habitats. Let's talk about grassland. 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 Grassland habitat. Grassland habitat. Grassland habitats. Okay. Grassland habitats. Grassland habitats can be found on more than 40% of the land on Earth. It is found it is found on more than 40% 40% of the land 40% of the land on the Earth. Okay. Grassland habitats are found 40% of the land on the Earth. They are white. They are white open areas. They are white open areas where mostly grass and flowers are found. Where mostly where mostly where mostly grass and flowers are found. Okay. Grassland habitats receive more rain than deserts. Grassland receive more rain. This habitat receive more rain. More rain. This habitat receive more rain than desert. Because as we all know very well that desert receive less rain. That's why those habitats live in desert. They conserve water and food in their bodies because they have a shortage of water. Okay. Grassland habitats are mostly found. Grassland habitats are mostly found They are mostly found in dry places. In dry places between the mountains and the desert. They are found between the mountains and the deserts. Okay. Everyone understand? If you are facing any problems, you can message me later. You can see on your screen the few characteristics of grassland habitats. It is found on more than 40% of the land on the earth. Mostly they are wide open areas where mostly grass and flowers are found. Okay, receive more rain than desert. They are mostly found in dry places between the mountains and the desert. Now, I am going to share some examples of grassland habitats. Why your camera is not open? Keep your cameras open, beta. I am unable to see you. Yes, Salishba, what do you want to ask?
Teacher, page number.
Which page number are you talking about?
No, teacher, I don't understand.
क्या समझ नहीं आया बेटा आपको?
टीचर मैं वर्कशीट पे लेने गई थी अपना.
Beta, I am not talking about worksheet. I am just giving a lecture on grassland habitats. Okay? Okay, beta? Yes, Aurelia. Yes, Aurelia. Yes, Aurelia. What do you want to ask? Aurelia. Aurelia, what do you want to ask? Aurelia. What do you want to ask?